Hey guys, so today we're back at the house. I haven't been here in a couple weeks, so I wanted to check out like the progress and all the demo that's continuing to happen. Things are really coming along in there, and it's starting to feel like you can see like how it's gonna turn out, if that makes sense. But I will show you guys around right now. There's a lot going on, so it might be like a little hard to show, and there's guys in there working really hard, so I don't want to get in their way. But yeah, I'll show you what I can, and I'll probably be back here later this week to show you guys the rest of the progress, because things are starting to happen really quickly now. So let's go.
Yeah, 3.5. Okay, so 44.5. So 44.5. That's 20 inches. That's still plenty of room. That's perfect. I knew it would be. You're very good. Yeah, so that's good. So the toilet's gonna go here.
Yeah. Toilet there, and then what? Shower right here.
How long we said shower was? 5 feet. 5 feet. Yep. So the doorway will be 20 inch, 24 inch. So 20 inches, right? 20 inch vanity. Vanity. Shower head right there.
Windows, all of the windows, and my little doors that I kept. These are gonna be somewhere else. Kitchen's got some extra major demo going on. The little bathroom, the weirdo bathroom's gone. Oh, things are happening. These windows, there's 2 right here, are gonna replace these small windows, so it's gonna be super light and bright in here. Oh, the bathtub, we decided to do a really large, nice shower in the bathroom instead. So this guy is going to go into storage and we'll use it somewhere else. I still love the idea of resurfacing it, going black on the outside or like a deep navy and then white on the inside. But yeah, I'm keeping it. And then these doors are going back in, and I'm so excited about that because they're so pretty. So all of the bedroom doors are gonna be French doors with, you know, shades on the sides. But yeah, so there's so much more progress here. It's feeling good. It's feeling very good. This is going, like I said last time, the new laundry room. There's gonna be like a whole bench wall across, and then the washer and dryer will go underneath, and they're gonna be nice, and it will be like a very pretty Instagrammable laundry room. The water heater, I think, is actually gonna go in this little closet now. So it opened up the kitchen even more. So I think that eventually, is gonna go in here. So this can all be pantry and refrigerator. Yeah. So this is the progress as of today. Gotta be really careful where we're stepping because there's not a whole lot of floor left in this place. But they just had to redo a lot of the foundation stuff because, again, it is an old building and it was leaning. So everything's all square now. It's all ready to go. Here's the entrance to the front of the building. I haven't been in a while, but these stairs used to lean like that. So now they're all straight. New windows being put in. Everything's looking real good.
Yeah.
Original wallpaper.
Okay, so that doesn't work. What, so how many more days?
My ironing board is gone.
It's out the back.
It's out here.
1 more day from the water.
There she is. The last charming place. No, that's not true. This house is still very charming.
It's a mess.
Okay, so we are, Luke and I are back at his house today, the one that he is redoing. I wanted to do like a little house update and show you guys what's changed since I have showed you last. A lot has changed. It looks so different inside, so I'm really excited to show you. So let's get started. So this room is always changing. It's not even gonna be here when everything's finished. This is the kitchen where you first walk in. The holes are gone. This is going to be like the sink. This is gonna be a giant window that we're waiting to put in. This is gonna be cabinetry and storage. The fridge is gonna be over here. And so that's kind of the kitchen. I'll get a better view from back here. So that is the big new kitchen space. So from the kitchen, you come into what is now the bathroom. And since I showed you last, a lot has changed in here. So all plumbing has gone in. This is going to be the vanity area going all the way across with like 2 mirrors, we're thinking. The toilet's gonna go there, and then this is gonna be a big, huge shower. And since it is a rental, we thought it would be better just to have the shower instead of the tub and the shower. It's a little inconvenient for some people. So this is just gonna be a beautiful big shower with glass doors, toilet, more windows, and that's that. So going from the bathroom, the hallway, these windows are new. They just got put in. There's all the bricks for the outside to re-brick around it. And then this bedroom, the small bedroom, looks a lot different. So new windows, and then they framed this out. This is gonna be the new closet right here. So it's just a nice small little back room. Could be an office or something, but it's still, I mean, it's still pretty big. So leaving that room, going down the hallway, this is what changed from the last time. I told you guys that they were going to move the wall out, which they have done. So this is all framed out. And then the small bathroom was taken out right here. So this is gonna be the new like primary bedroom. French doors are staying. I think they're gonna be new ones though. And then they framed out for the closet right here. So it's gonna be a nice big closet. Not like a walk-in or anything, but decent sized. I think back there is gonna be like HVAC. And then going into the living room, look at these babies. Big, beautiful windows. They're gonna pull some of these bricks down on the side and widen that up. And then there's the old French doors that I think are still gonna be reused. And then fireplace is staying the same. And big, beautiful window. I think that might be the kitchen window. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, this room looks bigger, even though some of it was taken away. I think it's just all the new light in here. Yeah, so that's this view. And then walking from the living room to the front door right here. And this was the original bathroom, but now it's gonna be a big, beautiful laundry room. I don't know if there's gonna be like a counter or folding space in here yet, but that will be, I will show you guys when those things happen. And then here we are back to the kitchen. Actually, I'll show you guys on this side. So this I think was just like a storage closet at one point, and now the water heater is gonna go in here, just so it's not in the kitchen anymore and taking up like valuable countertops or counter storage space. So that is that. And a lot of progress. It's crazy how much has been done since I was here last, and it's looking really, really good. So that is the update on the house. I will continue to update you guys whenever there is something to show you. There's gonna be a lot happening soon. Drywall's going up, new paint, all of the appliances and like the toilet and the shower and all that stuff is going in. So I will be sure to keep you guys posted.